A new SCSI driver update seems to generate issues on Windows 10, resulting in unusable computers. Last week, users started to report issues in a tech forum, and then the numbers grew from there. They were all related to an AMD SCSI adapter driver for Windows 10. Once Windows Update installed the new driver update for version 9.3.0.221, the trouble started. Most of the users were using Gigabyte motherboards with an X570 chip, so there could be a connection there. After the driver is installed, a reboot is required, but unfortunately, the system may take very long to boot or stop booting at all with an error message of inaccessible boot device. AMD and Microsoft are currently investigating the issue, and as you can imagine, an unusable workstation after updates can be very disruptive to an organization or individual. Acronis Cyber Protect can automatically generate backups before any updates are installed. And of course, this allows a quick recovery if any issues are discovered during installation of the update. Even if the system does no longer boot at all, it can still be recovered. For example, from a boot disk, recovered to another system, or temporarily run the backup as a virtual machine in the cloud, saving you from downtime.